Good morning. I'm tracking the winds, dry conditions, lots of sunshine in the forecast for today. I know some of us are hoping for the rain. It's not going to happen though. Most of the rain is going to fall across the four corners. But our story for today will be the gusty winds and, of course, this week, the warming trend. So let's talk about what's happening out there. From Dallas to Houston, it's going to be dry across the deep south. Again, just the four corners, and the northeast will be dealing with some soggy weather for today. We're clear. 66 El Paso. Temperatures cooling down just a few degrees because the start of the newscast, we were in the 70s. Well, close to 70 anyway. 48 Las Cruces. Las Cruces, you are the same temperature as Ruidoso in the 40s at this time. So wind gusts, not a problem right now, but I have been seeing wind gusts peak in the 20s, El Paso at the airport. So don't be surprised if you notice a few breezes, especially for those of you that live in East and Northeast El Paso. So for your Tuesday forecast, our windcast shows wind gusts at 35 miles an hour. I think the peak time will be between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock, although the winds will be on the increase, I think around lunchtime. So west to southwest winds increasing at 15 to 25 miles an hour. Those of you that live on the east and northeast sides of town will likely notice the stronger wind. So again, peak wind gust at 35, but then after that, a cold front, once it starts to move in, our wind gust will become even stronger, gusting as high as 40 miles an hour. So 7, 9 o'clock, and the 11 o'clock hour, I do think we'll see stronger wind gust. So once this cooler air ushers in here by Wednesday, our afternoon high will sit at 82 degrees, but then by Thursday and Friday, the warmest temperatures of the season will arrive. I do think that by the end of the week, we will see our first 90-degree day. But again, back to our winds for today. Tuesday at 35, Wednesday we're also in the 30s, so windy for those 2 days, and the rest of the week into the weekend we'll see gusts in the 20s, so breezy. Cooler Saturday, that's the next cold front that will move in, but we'll cool. They're only going to cool us down. The cooler air will only cool us down temporarily because we'll be back to the 80s by Sunday, upper 80s. For Sunday afternoon. 88 for Fabens, Clint, Montana Vista. 85 will be the afternoon high for you all. We're at 86 for Vado, La Union close to 90 for Santa Teresa. Low 80s for Hatch, mid 80s, White Sands. 86 will be the afternoon high for Anthony and for Sunland Park. So here is your 7-day forecast. Really warming things up by the end of the week. As I mentioned, cold front, the next one anyway, moves in on Saturday or warmer.